this video, I'm gonna talk to you guys why parking lots, parking garages make great locations for photo shoots. All right, come on. So one reason why I love shooting in parking garages is you get a lot of interesting light, a lot of interesting shadows. So right now I'm having light bouncing off that building and it's creating like those light boxes on the ground, and I'm gonna use that as a background element. And that's one reason I absolutely love shooting in parking lots. Shooting at f1.4, 1/250th of a second, ISO 200. Just kind of like standing up straight, like just real chill, just like this. Yeah. Oh, you like how I did that? Just real chill. I got it. Good. 1, 2. Good. Good. Raise your chin a tad. Right there. Good. Right there. Yep, that's the one. Stay there, stay there, stay there. But not the emotion. Not the emotion of a headache though. Couple more and we're done. Love it.
That's how we're gonna bring you to it next time. You're gonna be walking like this.
No, from a block away. From a block away.
Which way? I'm like, I don't know, man.
Yeah. Let's do more of a profile. So you're looking off that way. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Face me more, and turn your head that way. Yeah, right there. Put your right hand, start just shoving your hair up. With the other right? Yeah. Yeah, just throw it up in the air. Good. 1, 2. Got it. Hell yeah. Yeah, those are it. All right, I'm gonna butt in really quickly to give a shout out to the sponsor for this video, Storyblocks. Storyblocks video is a great service for when you're in need of a quick video clip for B-roll, After Effects template, or motion background. And the best part about it, it's all royalty free. Storyblocks video gives you studio quality 4K stock video footage without blowing your budget. For example, did you see that unnecessary over the top intro that I did? Made no sense. Getting that Chicago skyline shot, along with that time-lapse video, gave it more context. And the best part about it is I didn't actually have to go out and buy a drone and shoot that shot, or go and stand there on that corner and shoot that time-lapse. Click the link in the description below to learn more about Storyblocks video. Another reason why I like shooting in parking lots is sometimes you can come across these really cool ledges that is very accessible to people, so like she can lean on it and I could shoot her with that beautiful environment behind us. This is gonna make a really nice image, so let's take a couple of shots. I'm shooting with the 105 again. Oh, so stick your head up just a little bit more, a little bit less, because you see now I got that rim light on her hair, right here. So a little bit farther out, a little bit more, right there. So now I'm getting rim light catching her hair. Yeah, give me a couple different looks, love that. Ooh, I like that. Now stop as you're doing this, and then stop like midway. Right there. Do it again. Keep going, slowly. Okay, look over at me really quick. Right there, just like that. Oh, I like these a lot. Good. 1, 2. Good. Do that again. Go through the motion. Like that. That hand, tuck it in. Chin up a little bit more. Right there, let me see. Put it like next to your face, like softly. Just like that, yep. Let me get it from different angles, just in case I'm in post, I'm like, looking over that way. Yep, put both hands down again the way you did, right there. Actually dangle off more. Yeah, not all, like a little bit, just a little bit more. Man, it's so awkward. And we're good here, come on, let's go up. All right, model's down there. She's right down there. I have her centered off, shooting with a 35mm. I'll probably end up cropping in the image, but it's cool. People are looking at us from afar. No camera straps. Just gotta get a good grip, that's all. Yep, good. Good. Drop your chin, right there. Another thing I like about parking lots, everything, you know, they do it over again. I'm like, another thing, and another thing. Oh yeah, I like it, you know. Oh, I like it, you know. All right. I really like using the cars as part of the picture as well. So I have her in between those two cars, and I'm framing her where I have all those pillars behind her as like the texture and the leading lines in the background. And I feel that it adds this really just urban feel to the image. Good. Now look off again toward the train track on that side. So what I'm doing now is using this as part of my foreground. 1, 2. Good. Look at me, look at the camera. Just like that. Love that, love that. Pick up your hair with both hands. Just go all the way out. Ready? And look at that light. Oh, there's light coming in. Right there, look at me, look at me. Tilt your chin this way. Got it, hell yeah. I want you to give me some movement. I want you to move around a little bit. So like walk toward me, just have a little fun, turn around, look back at the camera. But like in this little area.
Let me know when something's coming. Imagine if I'm dancing around and someone's like...
It just plows right through. Just make sure we got it on video, slow-mo. One, two, three. Love that. Keep that. I like that a lot. Love it. Okay, let me see. Looking up, like taking in that light. Just like that. One-handed technique. Let me see. Stove. I think we're good.